So we're doing an unboxing today because, fun fact, I was gonna go out and do a bunch of errands that needed to be done today. But then it started to pour and a flash flood warning, and I refused to get drowned in my car in the flood. No, that's not gonna happen. So instead of doing all my errands, I'm gonna record this video because what else am I gonna do? All right, let's get started. Today I'm going to unbox a JustFab /ShoeDazzle haul that I got stuff on sale for. There was a sale over the 4th of July weekend. I know it's like way past that now, and I'm just getting to this. I actually just got some of this stuff in the mail last week, and so now I'm opening it. I have a whole box of stuff. I'm gonna go through it, see what fits. I might return some stuff, but I had a credit on each of the websites, so I used the credit and I got a bunch of stuff on sale. So I believe these are the sandals that I am currently wearing right now. These are my favorite sandals. I wear them all the time. I have extremely flat feet, so I like to wear these because they're comfortable. A lot of shoes that have too much arch support make my feet hurt really bad. So I got a pair in the black. These are the ones I am currently wearing. I just got another pair because the ones I'm wearing are getting a little older and sometimes they wear out. These are my favorite pair. They are the ones that I buy all the time. I had a pair of brown ones that my dog ate, and then I have a pair of black ones now that I wear. I wanted to get more because last time I bought them, they were out of stock. So I stocked up, and these were only $8. I thought I bought another pair, but I guess I didn't. So I'm gonna go and check that because I thought I did, but here they are. They're really comfortable. If you have flat feet, sometimes they're a little tight in the toes because of the leather, and you just have to kind of break them in a little bit. Also wanted to get brown shoes because the brown version of the ones that I really like don't exist anymore, and they only have like the orangey looking brown. And then these also had like the gold to them, and I've been wearing a lot more gold lately. They were super cute and they were actually really cheap. I believe most of the shoes I bought were like somewhere around $8 to $10, so I mean, come on. They are really tight right here. I don't think I'm gonna keep these. I don't know if they have wides. I'm gonna check if they have wides, but these are not comfortable at all. If you are someone with flat, wide feet, these are not gonna fit you. They're cute, but they just aren't, they don't feel good at all. So, and you see my foot's like falling off the edge. So I don't think these are it. I also got these brown ones because they had more brown on them, and they had no gold, so I wanted to make sure that I had just a plain pair of brown, because I realized that I wear a lot of sandals in the summer and I only have like 2 pair that I wear constantly, so I thought I'd get a couple more pair. It took me a minute to get my foot all the way in here because it kept catching on the sides here. They are a little tight, but they're very cushiony. I think they just might be a little too small because look at my foot. My foot is kind of a little too long for them. So I might exchange these as well for a bigger size. I don't know why all my shoes are all of a sudden too small, but I think I need to exchange. Aren't these freaking adorable? They're so cute. So these are kind of like a pinkish nude. I don't have any sandals that are this color, and they're kind of like fluffy and soft at the top, so I thought I'd give these a try. They do have a little bit of a heel on them, so I can wear them with more fancy outfits but like still want to keep it casual. So I bought these, and they were again on sale for like $6 or $8 or something. These are just way too small for me. I can't get my foot all the way in there, as you can see. So I'm gonna see if they can exchange this for a bigger size. Not sure if that's gonna help me or not, but maybe they have a wider size, or maybe I can move it up a size. I'm not sure, but they're definitely not gonna work. You'd think the shoes were glass with how much wrapping is on them. These are the last pair that I got. They are a wedge. I found that I am more likely to wear wedges to events that are in the summer or outside because then the heel doesn't sink into the grass or whatever. And I didn't have a pair of cute boot like this was just, I don't have anything like this, and the only other white shoes I have hurt my feet so badly, so I thought the wedges might help. So I'm hoping that these don't hurt as bad as the other white shoes that I have. And aren't they so cute? Oh my god. I freaking love these. They fit really well. They are definitely more comfortable than the white wedges that I already have. And they're so cute. Look at them. Definitely I'm gonna keep these. I don't like how that's doing that, but I think that it's just kind of how the shoe is, so. But I like these. So that was the last pair of shoes that I bought. I also bought a few purses because I want to get rid of some of the other purses that I have that are falling apart or I just don't wear them anymore. And I found that I don't have a lot of purses that are in colors that match my clothing. So I wanted to get a few things that would work with my wardrobe now a little bit better. So I got 3 different purses. The first one is this really cute pink. It's like a fabric and it has, what is this? It has a little, oops, that's how you open it. It has a zip up and like just a regular pocket like most purses do. I wouldn't say the inside is anything special, but it is really cute on the outside. And then it comes up through here like that. Look how cute. I love it. So I'm realizing a lot of the purses nowadays have gold chains. So I'm glad I am starting to add some more gold into my jewelry. So this one is smaller than I thought it would be. It is really cute though. It has a little twisty knob. My animals are running around the thing. So, okay, this is strange. So it like folds in and you have to like put it in this little thing here and then take it off through there. Everything has to go through here. So that's kind of weird. It's like almost like a plastic material. I thought it was like faux leather, but it doesn't feel like faux leather at all. It is definitely plastic. And I don't even know if I like this or not. I mean, it is kind of, it's like small and it is white, but I don't know. Do I love it? Do you guys love it? Is this gonna annoy the crap out of me trying to close my purse every time? Like, is that annoying to you? Is that annoying to me? I don't know. I think it might be annoying to me. Should I try it out? It really looks like a kid's plastic purse almost. It feels like a kid's plastic purse. It looks nice, but, and I don't know. I think this might be a return item. I have a feeling. Let me know what you think. So the last purse is a bigger purse. It's a brown purse. It's like faux leather. It has a gold chain. Realizing everything is gold nowadays. I didn't have a nicer brown purse to wear with like nicer outfits. So I have like a crossbody brown purse, but I don't have like anything else other than that brown purse. And it's lighter than this. This just matches some of my nicer stuff a little bit better. And it has a gold zipper. It has the normal pockets, the zipper one and the not zippered one. It's just a slouch purse, but it was cheap. It was on sale. And I think it's really cute. It is a one shoulder purse. It's like the perfect length because I like to put my hand like this. So yeah, so I got this one and I really like it. I don't know what is going on here, but I think because it expands, maybe? Okay, that's kind of weird, but no idea why that does that. I don't know. I think it's cute from this perspective. This is kind of weird though. I guess I'm not looking at it from the bottom. What do you think? Should I keep it? Is it good enough? I also got 2 articles of clothing. I don't shop a lot of their clothing because they are like a cheaper, less quality clothing. I like their shoes better than their clothes, but I did find 2 things that are on sale that I liked, so I'm gonna try these on and see if I like them. So the first item is this high collar, what is this called? A turtleneck? It's not really a turtleneck, but it kind of feels like one. It's sleeveless, it's a crop top, so I can wear it with all of my high-waisted stuff. It's kind of like a sweater, so I don't know if I'd wear it like in the summer or like not when I'm outside in like 90-degree weather. Definitely not. I could wear this with my trousers and like a blazer. That would be nice. This was super cheap. I like took a risk on it, but I think I'm gonna keep this because I think I will wear it. The next thing I got was this wrap dress, which I think is a little too big for me. It came with a tie, but it's very loose up here. Like very loose. It's definitely comfortable, but I don't know what's going on with these sleeves actually. This is like really short. I think it's just too big. I almost forgot the last thing I bought were these gold earrings. They're kind of like, I don't know, they look like little balloons almost. Oh my God, it's broken. So this one closes into the little thing there, like that, and it actually takes some effort to like pull it out. Like I can't even pull it out. Like, yeah. So it closes. This one doesn't even, look at that. Doesn't do any of that. Why is this my luck, guys? So now, do I return this and ask, should I just clamp it closer or should I return this and ask for another one? Well, that's depressing and sad. These were really cute too. So that was my haul. I hope you enjoy. I will link all of the stuff that I got down below in case you wanted to try anything out for yourself. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this or anything beauty related, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next week.